because art replicates art, and that's how art evolves. AI is exceptionally good at replicating stuff. So do you think in that sense can it ever surpass human creativity in that arena?
I see, in the sense of throughput, meaning that if a truly human creative person, if he's able to create 10 novel things out of existing information, out of existing patterns, past experiences and so on, an algorithm might be able to create millions, right? So in much the sense that, like, for example, a photographer today is really taking millions of photos and then handpicking the ones that look good and then using tools to make it look even better, right? So in a sense, I still think AI will increase the throughput of the number of possibilities, and then the human curation ability in combination of that will produce some really amazing things in the near future. Yeah.